Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through creating an invoice, applying the discount, and sending it to your customer so you can be confident everything calculates correctly. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account and landing on the dashboard. From here, move your mouse to the small plus icon at the top left of the screen. In many layouts, this is labeled New, and it's your shortcut for creating transactions. Hovering over it opens the menu of things you can make. Choose Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice form. At the top, click into the customer field and select the customer you're billing. QuickBooks will automatically fill in their saved details, like billing address and terms, and it will generate a new invoice date and number. If you track time and materials, you may see a prompt to bring in billable items. Click Add on billable time to pull those hours or expenses onto the invoice. They'll appear on the line items so the totals update right away. You can still tweak quantities, rates, or descriptions if needed before you add the discount. Now enter your discount. Look near the bottom of the invoice for the discount field. You can type a flat amount such as 25 or switch to a percent and enter something like 10%. QuickBooks will calculate the discount against the subtotal and display the new total. If you want to make the discount clear to your customer, add a short note in the message or memo area describing what it's for, like a seasonal promotion or a goodwill adjustment. If you don't see a discount option on your form, it may be turned off in your sales form settings. You can enable discounts there. Take a moment to review the invoice. Confirm the invoice date, due date, and payment terms, and scan the line items to be sure the discount applied the way you expect. When everything looks good, click Review and Send. You'll see a preview of what your customer will receive. From here, you can adjust the email message if you like, then send it. The invoice will be saved to your books with the discount included. That's it. You've created an invoice, pulled in any billable time, applied a discount, and sent it out all inside QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.